In order to make this basket, you'll need some cardboard. Here I'm using an old pizza box. Then you'll need a pencil with a sharp tip, some toothpicks, a pair of scissors, glue, I'm using super glue, and some string or yarn of any color. The first step is to outline and cut the cardboard into the shape you would like your basket to be in. It can be a square, circle, triangle, rectangle, or anything else. The next step is to color the cardboard the color you would like the bottom of the basket to be. I'm coloring it orange. Using a pen, pencil, or marker, outline the placement of the toothpicks around the edge of the piece of cardboard with dots. Generously space out these dots and make sure there are an odd number of dots. There must be an odd number of dots for the yarn threading to work. Using a sharp tip from a pencil or a toothpick, poke holes into the cardboard where the outlined dots are located. To change the height of the basket, cut the toothpicks to the desired length that you would like your basket height to be. To form the walls of the basket, cover each hole with glue and then insert the toothpick into the hole. Then let the glue dry before moving on to the next step. The next step is to thread the yarn around the toothpicks. First glue down one end of the yarn to the bottom of the cardboard. Then loop the string in and around each toothpick. Do this until all sides are covered with yarn. When you're finished with threading the yarn, glue the excess string to the side of the basket. You can also just tie it to one of the other strings in the loop. The basket is now technically finished, but if you want, you can decorate it with beads, paint, or anything else you want to decorate it with. Now you can use your mini or big basket to store anything inside of it. It's especially useful for desk clutter like paper clips, coins, or anything else.